Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Tab S10 Ultra and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. We start off opening settings application. In it, we must tap on our connections and their data usage. In it, billing size and data warming, and there we can set data limits. First step, we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month. There by that switch we can turn on our data warming and set it in gigabytes or megabytes. Watch unit, maybe we set 5 gigabytes, and the same story with data limits. We must turn on it and we can set it maybe on 7 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.